What's good, y'all? It's your boy Guy, and I'm back. Anyway, so basically, this camera heavy as hell. I can't even hold it right. Basically, I'm about to go to the gym, but I just kind of wanted to give y'all I guess, a little life update. Let y'all know where the hell I've been at, why I've been gone, and just kind of let y'all know what's going on. Now, I'm not gonna show out the apartment number. Hold on a second. Let me lock him up. I ain't gonna lie, one of the things I love about my apartment is you can't I can never hear my neighbors even when they be partying. So like the girl next door right now, she partying and I can't hear nothing through my walls. But anyway, yeah man, I just wanna kinda give y'all a little life update, let y'all know what's going on because I have been gone for some time. It wasn't intentional. It wasn't nothing like that. But I really just needed time to myself. Like I had to really figure out what I wanted for myself. Some of it was trying to figure out which direction I wanted the channel to go in, just small stuff like that. So we're gonna head downstairs to the gym, and when I get down there, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit more. I was gonna take the elevator, but I'm gonna take the stairs. Shouldn't be that bad. I'm going down there to do cardio anyway, so I guess this will start the cardio out. Oh. What's up? I'm ready for the first. I got you. Girl, please. She must not know. I charge an arm and a leg for that photo shoot, baby. She must not know. Yes, sir. Empty gym. It's popping. So I'm gonna be here. I'm about to set the camera up. God, I forgot my damn tripod. See, this is why I don't do this, bro. It'd be so much work. I'm about to run back upstairs, grab my tripod, because I want to set it up while I'm talking to y'all. So, I'll be right back. Now, my in frame. I'm going to keep it a bean with y'all. This video is not going to have any kind of structure to it. I literally just wanted to talk to y'all because I feel like sometimes life just be happening and you just gotta roll with the punches, you know what I mean? So as far as me going MIA and not being on YouTube the way that I should have, there's no excuse at all. If I was to give you guys reasons, there's a lot. Sometimes, oh shit, I'm about to slip off. Sometimes life just happens and you just gotta roll with the punches. Now, this is definitely not an excuse because I believe that excuses are tools of the incompetent used to build monuments of nothing. But the whole reason why I even started getting on YouTube was strictly for self-development. Of course, there's things where you want to make money and, whatever. But my biggest reason was I wanted the self-development. I wanted to be able to speak in front of the camera. I wanted to become more comfortable speaking in front of people, just putting myself out there. And I felt like starting the YouTube channel was a good way to do that. If I'm breathing hard, I'm clearly on the Stairmaster. Being real and authentic today. But I really just wanted to push myself to become a better version of myself. And a lot of that stems from a very tragic event that happened in my life, September 21st, 2022. And that date is actually about to come up real soon because in 2 days it'll be September 1st. Now, the reason why I bring that date up is because that's the day that my mom passed away. And when my mom passed away, it really put me in a mental space to where I was almost frantic. Like, the fact that I'm even on the Stairmaster right now, like, this stems from that. She passed away due to cancer, colon cancer. It ended up spreading out through her entire body, and that was the story. So after she passed away, it was really like a wake-up call, not only in terms of my health, but just in terms of my career. I really started pushing myself very hard. I told myself that I needed to achieve all of the goals and reach all of the aspirations that I told her that I wanted to reach. That was my promise to her before she passed. So after taking a little bit of time to grieve, I decided it's time to get to work. It's time to really put things in action, put things in motion. So that's when self-development became super important to me. Now, fast forwarding back to where the YouTube is, that was just like a little bit of backstory to give you guys an understanding of where I was mentally when I started it, and it's gonna kind of prelude to where I am mentally now. So fast forward to coming back to the YouTube thing now, where I started, I was like, damn, this is such a great idea. Let me get on YouTube, let me bust my ass, da 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 da. And I was doing so many things that all at one time. It was just like, do you even want to do all of this? Like, is this even your purpose? Do you really love doing this? And I started finding that even though I enjoyed doing it, it got to a point to where I felt like it wasn't really fun. Life started to become to the point where it just wasn't fun. Like, I wasn't enjoying anything. Because keep in mind, my mom, my everything. Love her to death. So at the point to where it became, I was almost living my life in order to please her and achieving all of these things so that I could give her everything that she never had, and honestly just wanted to repay her for all of the sacrifice that she made for me and my siblings. So fast forwarding back to YouTube, I'm like, damn, like, I know I'm giving value. I know I enjoy this. I know that it's something that other people deserve of me, but am I giving myself what I deserve? And I just came to a point where I was like, no. So I took a break from it. And fast forwarding to now, it's been like a year. It's been like a year, maybe a year and some change since I posted my last like actual YouTube video. And I'm realizing that it's something that I need to do. And not necessarily because of like needing to do it financially, or like it's become to the point where I'm like, I need to do it because there are people out there that are counting on me. Like you that's watching this right now, you may be at a point in your photography career to where you're like, damn, I'm at that point where I just want to excel. I just want to grow. I just want to learn. But the people that are teaching it don't look like me. They don't talk like me. They use these big words that I can't understand. Like, is there somebody out there that's going to be able to just keep it plain, keep it simple, and still get me the results that I'm looking for without charging me an arm and a leg? Now, I do have ebooks, I do have courses, but I try to keep them as affordable as possible because I look back and I think to myself, damn, when I was coming up, this is what I would want. Like someone that's gonna be able to really care about the information that they're feeding to me and not just view it as a money grab. And all of this just is coming from a conversation that I had the other day. So I was shooting an event for a company called Amplify, great company. They're in the fintech space. They actually just made it on the Inc. 5000 list, number 652. So they're growing at a rapid rate. Kudos to them. And of course, there's gonna be other people there because I'm just doing photography. So there's other photographers and videographers there. And one of them came up to me and he knew who I was. So he started talking to me and he's like, hey, you're a guy, right? So I'm like, yeah, what's up, bro? And I asked him his name, we have a conversation. And he was like, bro, I be watching your YouTube channel. And I was like, word, that's what's up. And then the next thing that he said really stuck out to me because he was like, bruh, as soon as I started tapping into your stuff, you stopped. And in the moment, I kind of just played it off as like, yeah, you know, I had just a lot of life going on, whoa. You know how them old unks talk. But in my heart, I really felt like, damn, there are really people out there that deserve this. Like, it's much bigger than just myself. Like, there are people that are depending on content like this. There are people that are depending on people like me to put the information out there to help them. Like, when I first started, there were YouTubers, but I had to watch hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours of YouTube videos just to be able to get one little piece of information. So I say all that to say, I am gonna be back on YouTube. I am making a promise to y'all. I'm gonna post at least one video a week. I'm gonna push to do more, but I'm gonna do at minimum one video a week. It's not necessarily gonna be like the content that I was doing before. It's more gonna be not necessarily like this, but I want it to be organic. Like, I want y'all to see the real stuff. I want y'all to see what actually goes on with these photo shoots. I want y'all to understand how I'm feeling in certain moments, like where my mental space is, because those are the things that you're actually gonna benefit from. You're not gonna benefit from a tech video telling you to buy this camera or buy this light. In all honesty, before I stopped posting, I had multiple tech companies reach out to me and ask me to endorse their product, to show their product on my Instagram, to show their product on my YouTube. And I'm just like, damn, like, it's good for my personal growth, and I am gonna do it, but is that really what's in best interest for the people that are like counting on me, my supporters that are counting on me? And obviously this YouTube channel is not that big. I'm at like 3,000 subscribers, but it's still a community nonetheless. Like, it's a start. So I am gonna be doing content. I am gonna be making sure that I'm giving y'all a game. I'm gonna make sure that I keep it simple so that y'all can understand. Cause I really wanna touch the common people, man. Like the everyday person that's maybe didn't go to college, like, but they trying to find a way in this photography industry. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we will be back on YouTube very soon. I don't think I'm gonna cut this video up, so if you watched it all the way to the end, I rock with you. If not, I rock with you. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned. It's your boy Guy X Photo, and yeah, I'm out. But anyway, just as a side note, I literally just thought about this. I want y'all to drop in the comments what y'all want to see from me. Maybe y'all thoughts on this video. Would y'all rather me doing like vlog style videos, or do y'all just want the tutorial videos? Cause for some of the tutorial videos, I'll probably have to get like a cameraman. But as far as the vlogs, I'll be able to vlog my like daily interactions, and then I'll be able to show y'all the photo shoot stuff as well and teach y'all in that way. So just let me know what y'all want me to do. Again, it's your boy Guy X, and I'm signing out for real this time.